Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can wipe all data in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. And you can see here it is wipe data factory reset. If your phone is reset, you will need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So friends, if you want to wipe all data and want to do with all these steps, so first I am just rebooting system now to tell you step by step guide to how you can wipe all data. Press the power button now and it is restarting the device. You have to wait for it. Friends, you can see mobile is now open. You can just turn off your device right now like this. Long press the power button and turn off your device. Then friends, you have to press the volume up button and power button at the same time. Keep pressing it until it vibrates and Samsung logo will appear. So let's do this. First I am just pressing both the buttons and now it vibrate now and Samsung logo has appeared. Now release the power button instantly and keep pressing the volume up button and you can see the recovery mode has opened successfully. Now you can see screen is not working. You have to scroll down using power this volume down button like this, and here it is wipe all data factory reset. By doing that it will erase all your data including your SD card and Google account also. Press the power button, it will wipe the data. So I am not doing this because my data is in my phone, so just click on it, it will restart your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.